Turn on the lights.
You got it. Turning on 2 lights.
Let's see how to do a smart home setup while being on a budget. Step 1. You need a smart speaker. You have the option of buying an Amazon Echo Dot or the Google Home Mini. If you are an Amazon Prime subscriber, you should definitely prefer buying the Amazon Smart Speaker. Well, I'm not, and I live in Sweden, so the Google Smart Speaker is fine for me. Google calls it the small and mighty, and why not? It shares almost all the features with its bigger brother, the original Google Home, including the Google Assistant and voice control, well, except for the inbuilt multiple speakers. It's designed to be used with video streaming services like Netflix and YouTube via Chromecast, and supports music via Google Music and Spotify integration. It has also support for smart home devices like Nest thermostat and Philips Hue lights, among others.
The Google Home Mini is a small donut-shaped device with a fabric top. It has just a mute switch and micro USB input. Are you smart?
I can confidently say I'm smarter than a microwave and much better at searching the internet.
The command to trigger the Google Assistant is Hey or OK, followed by Google. But I cannot say it in this video, otherwise it will trigger all the Google Assistants on Android mobiles and tablets. Play the latest video of MKBHD on Chrome TV on YouTube.
Okay, playing latest video of MKBHD from YouTube on Chrome TV.
Hey, what is up guys, MKBHD here, and you've probably seen a dolly camera move, something like that. Or maybe you've seen a sort of a slow pan and arcing shot. These are all pretty common. What about something more complicated?
Play Stranger Things on Netflix on Chrome TV.
Okay, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on Chrome TV.
Are you single?
I'm in a very committed relationship with my job as an assistant.
Can you laugh for me?
Your wish is my command. Hi, what can I do for you?
Tell me a story.
The story I am about to tell is very short. A girl was dancing until midnight, then had to run home.
Tell me a scary story.
Have you ever heard the urban legend about the assistant that wouldn't help? The story goes that there was this couple, and they were at home. They wanted to see a movie at 9, so they asked their assistant to set a reminder, and the assistant said, no.
Turn on the lights.
Okay, turning on 2 lights.
Lights at 10%.
Sure, setting 2 lights brightness to 10%.
Sing a lullaby for me.
Hush my babe and do not cry.
I hope you found this video useful and informative. Do like, subscribe and comment. Hi do, Mrs. Nat. Say hi do. Say hi do, Mrs. Nat. Do like, subscribe and comment. Hi do, Mrs. Nat.